Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss the summary and multiple choice questions on Henry IV Part 1. Henry IV Part 1 is a historical play by William Shakespeare that centers on the reign of King IV of England and coming of age of his son, Prince Hal, the future king of Henry V. The play explored the political unrest in England due to King Henry's shaky claim to the throne and rebellion led by the Percy family, especially Hotspur or Harry Percy. Hotspur is admired for his courage and honor in contrast to Prince Hal, who spends his time in taverns with the comedic and cowardly Sir John Falstaff. As the rebellion grows stronger, Prince Hal decides to change his way and prove his worth. In the climatic Battle of Shrewsbury, Hal redeems himself by killing Hotspur in single combat. This act earns him respect and solidifies his path to kingship. The play ends with King Henry preparing for future battles, while Prince Hal begins to show the qualities of a true leader. Now the summary in Hindi. हेनरी फोर्थ पार्ट वन विलियम शेक्सपियर द्वारा लिखित एक हिस्टोरिकल नाटक है जो इंग्लैंड के राजा हेनरी फोर्थ के शासनकाल और उनके पुत्र प्रिंस हैल जो आगे चलकर हेनरी फिफ्थ के नाम से जाने जाते हैं उन्हीं को सेंटर है। नाटक में इंग्लैंड में अस्थिरता को दिखाया गया है जो किंग हेनरी के कमजोर शासन और पर्सी फैमिली विशेष रूप से हॉटस्पर द्वारा उठाए गए विद्रोह के कारण होती है। हॉटस्पर को उनकी वीरता और सम्मान के लिए सराहा जाता है, जबकि प्रिंस हॉल समय शराब खानों में अपने मित्र सर जॉन फॉलस्टाफ के साथ व्यर्थ करते हैं। जैसे जैसे विद्रोह बढ़ता है, प्रिंस हॉल अपने पुराने व्यवहार को त्याग कर खुद को साबित करने का निर्णय लेते हैं। श्रूसबरी की लड़ाई में वह हॉटस्पर को अकेले युद्ध में मारकर सम्मान अर्जित करता है। यह कार्य उनके उत्तराधिकारी बनने की राह को मजबूत बनाता है। नाटक के अंत में किंग हेनरी आगे की लड़ाइयों की तैयारी करते हैं और हॉल एक सच्चे नेता के गुणों को दिखाना शुरू करते हैं। Now we will discuss the main characters in Henry IV Part 1. First major character is King Henry IV, and the role is King of England. Traits: worrying, burdened by guilt, politically cautious. He struggles to maintain power and legitimacy after usurping the throne from Richard II. His concerns revolve around the nation's unrest and his son's irresponsible behavior. Second major character is Prince Hal. Prince Hal is Henry or Prince of Wales. Traits: clever, dual-natured, and strategic. Initially seen as wayward and irresponsible, Hall surprises everyone by transforming into a brave and noble leader, especially after killing of Hotspur. Third major character is Sir John Falstaff. Role is comic relief and companion of Prince Hal. Traits: witty, cowardly, and dishonest. Represents the carefree life Hall indulges in. Though humorous, he also symbolizes moral decay and irresponsibility. Next major character is Hotspur. Hotspur, also known as Henry Percy, role is leader of the rebel forces. Trait: brave, impulsive, and honorable. He viewed as the ideal warrior. His passionate and headstrong nature leads to his downfall in the Battle of Shrewsbury. Next character is Worcester and Northumberland. They are rebel leaders. or Hotspur's uncle and father. Traits: calculating and ambitious. They feel betrayed by King Henry and fuel the rebellion, using Hotspur as the fate of their cause. Next major character is Earl of Douglas. Role is traits: Earl of Douglas. His role is Scottish ally of the rebels. Traits: fearless and loyal to the Percys. Fights bravely for the rebels and is eventually captured during the battle. Now we will discuss 100 multiple choice questions on this topic. First question is, who is central comic figure in Henry the Fourth Part 1? Options are Prince Hall, Hotspur, Falstaff or Worcester. Right answer is Falstaff. Question number 2. Which battle serves as the climax of the play? Options are Battle of Agincourt, Battle of Shrewsbury, Battle of Hastings or Battle of Bosworth. Right answer is Battle of Shrewsbury. Third question. Why is King Henry IV disappointed in Prince Hall? A. He supported the rebels. B. He wants to be poet. C. He lives a reckless life with Falstaff. D. He refuses to marry. Right answer is C. He lives a reckless life with Falstaff. Fourth question. Hotspur is nickname for which character? Options are A. Henry Bolingbroke, B. Henry Percy, C. John of Lancaster, D. Douglas. Right answer is Henry Percy. Next question. What is the main theme of Henry the Fourth Part 1? A. Love and betrayal. B. Revenge and justice. C. Honor and transformation. D. War and peace. Right answer is C. Honor and transformation. Next question. Who was king before Henry IV? Options are A. Richard II. B. Edward III. C. Henry V. D. John of Gaunt. Right answer is Richard II. What is the Prince Hall's full name? A. Harry Percy. B. Henry Plantagenet. C. Henry Bolingbroke. D. Henry Prince of Wales. Right answer is D. Henry Prince of Wales. Next question. Which character does King Henry IV most admire in the early part of the play? Options are A. Falstaff, B. Hotspur, C. Worcester, D. Glendower. Right answer is B. Hotspur. Next question. What is Falstaff's relationship with Prince Hall? A. His uncle. B. His tutor. C. His drinking companion. D. His enemy. Right answer is his drinking companion. Next question. Which historical period does Henry IV Part 1 depict? War of Roses, 100 Years of War, Elizabethan Age, Norman Conquest. Right answer is 100 Years War. Next question. Where does most of the tavern action take place? A. Boar's Head Inn. B. King's Arms Inn. C. Rose Theatre. D. London Tower. Right answer is A. Boar's Head Inn. Next question. What is Hotspur's real name? A. Henry Percy. B. Henry Plantagenet. C. Owen Glendower. D. Thomas Percy. Right answer is Henry Percy. Next question. What does Prince Hall promises his father? He will give A option. He will leave England. B. He will defeat Hotspur. C. He will join the rebellion. D. He will crown Falstaff. Right answer is B. He will defeat Hotspur. Next, who killed Hotspur in the play? A. King Henry. B. Falstaff. C. Prince Hall. D. Earl of Douglas. Right answer is C. Prince Hall. Next question. Who fakes death in the Battle of Shrewsbury? A. Prince Hall, B. King Henry, C. Worcester, D. Falstaff. Right answer is D. Falstaff. 11th question. Which theme is explored through Falstaff's character? A. Chivalry, B. Deception, C. Honor, D. Magic. Right answer is honor. Next is which rebel is from Scotland? A. Northumberland, B. Worcester, C. Douglas, D. Mortimer. Right answer is Douglas. Next question. Who is Oliver Glendower? Options are A. Welsh magician and rebel, B. A Scottish king, C. A tavern keeper, D. A church bishop. Right answer is A. Welsh magician and rebel. Next question. Which character is Prince Hall's younger brother? A. John of Gaunt, B. John of Lancaster, C. Mortimer, D. Peto. Right answer is B. John of Lancaster. Next question. Who arrest Worcester and Vernon? Options are A. King Henry IV, B. Prince Hall, C. Prince John, D. Northumberland. Right answer is Prince John. 16th question. What is the turning point of the play for Prince Hall? A. His banishment from court, B. His speech to Falstaff, C. His killing of Hotspur, D. His father's coronation. Right answer is his killing of Hotspur. Next question 17. Which role does honor play in the play? Honor play in the play. A. It is questioned and satirized. B. It is always rewarded. C. It is never mentioned. D. It is reserved for royalty. Right answer is A. It is questioned and satirized. 18th question. Why does Hotspur reject the king authorities? A. He loves Glendower. B. He is jealous of Falstaff. C. He feels betrayed by the king. D. He wants to be a poet. Right answer is C. He feels betrayed by the king. Next question. Who claims to speak with spirits? A. Worcester, B. Glendower, who is Welsh magician and rebel. C. Northumberland, D. Douglas. Right answer is Glendower. Next is what is Prince Hall's future title? Henry the Fourth, Richard the Third, Henry the Fifth, or Edward I. Right answer is C. Henry the Fifth. Next question. Which literary genre best describe the play? Right answer is history. Next, 22nd question. Who says, I know you all and will awhile uphold the unyoked humor of your idleness? This line is in Act 1, Scene 2, or it's a soliloquy. And options are King Henry, B. Prince Hall, C. Falstaff, D. Hotspur, and the right answer is B. Prince Hall. 23rd question. Who joins forces with the Percys in the rebellion? A. Glendower, who is magician, and Mortimer, who is Earl of March. B. Henry V, C. Prince John, D. King Henry. Right answer is A. Glendower and Mortimer. Next question. What happens to Falstaff at the end of the play? A. He becomes king. B. He is killed. C. He is praised by Hall. D. He lies about killing Hotspur. Right answer is D. He lies about killing Hotspur. Next question is which character is foil to Prince Hall? A. King Henry, B. Glendower, C. Hotspur, D. Vernon. Right answer is C. Hotspur. Next question. Who represents the voice of experience and counsel among the rebels? A. Hotspur, B. Worcester, C. Douglas, D. Mortimer. Right answer is Worcester. Next is, which character is captured by Glendower and later married to his daughter? A. Prince Hall, B. Mortimer, C. Hotspur, D. Northumberland. Right answer is Mortimer. 28th question, Falstaff is associated with which literary technique? A. Tragic flaw, B. Symbolism, C. Comic relief, D. Irony only. Right answer is C. Comic relief. Next question, what is King Henry's biggest concern in the play? A. Losing his crown. B. Glendower's magic. C. Hall's behavior and reputation. D. Falstaff's influence. Right answer is C. Hall's behavior and reputation. Next question. Why is the Battle of Shrewsbury historically significant? A. It ended the war. B. It was Hall's first battle. C. It united England and Scotland. D. It led to Richard the Third rise. Right answer is B. It was Hall's first battle. Next question. Who says honor is a mere scutcheon? Scutcheon. Scutcheon, meaning symbol of honor, placed on a tomb. It is said in Act 5 in Scene 1, and the options are A. Prince Hall, B. Falstaff, C. King Henry, D. Hotspur. Right answer is Falstaff. 32nd question. Hotspur's impulsiveness contrasts most with whom? A. Glendower, B. Falstaff, C. Prince Hall, D. King Henry. Right answer is Prince Hall. 33rd question. Which character is not involved in the rebellion? A. Falstaff, B. Hotspur, C. Worcester, D. Glendower. Right answer is Falstaff. Next question. The theme of political legitimacy is mainly shown through which character? A. Mortimer, B. King Henry IV, C. Hotspur, D. Vernon. Right answer is King Henry IV. Next question. What does Hall do to Falstaff after the battle? A. Kills him, B. Promises him a title, C. Exposes his lie about killing Hotspur, D. Reward him. Right answer is C. Exposes his lie about killing Hotspur. Next question. What quality does Hall admire in Hotspur? A. Humor, B. Discipline, C. Honor and courage, D. Kindness. Right answer is C. Honor and courage. Next is, Falstaff symbolize A. Royal ambition, B. Warlike strength, C. Indulgence and moral decay, D. Rebellion. Right answer is C. Indulgence and moral decay. Next question. Who commands the royal army during the battle? A. Prince Hall, B. Prince John, C. King Henry IV, D. All of the above. Right answer is all of the above. 39th question. What do the rebels argue about before the battle? A. How to divide England, B. Who will be the king, C. Whether Hall should be killed, D. Whether to attack first. With her to attack first. Right answer is A. How to divide England. Next question. Which character is obsessed with their own honor? A. Falstaff, B. Mortimer, C. Hotspur, D. Glendower. Right answer is Hotspur. Next question. How does Hall prove he is fit to be king? A. He refuses to drink. B. He leads to army and defeat Hotspur. C. He banishes Falstaff. D. He forgives the rebels. Right answer is B. He leads the army and defeats Hotspur. Next question. Which character does not appear on stage but is often mentioned? A. King Henry, B. Northumberland, C. Vernon, D. Poins. And the right answer is Northumberland. Next question is, what is Falstaff's opinion about honor? A. It is worth dying for. B. It is a noble goal. C. It is meaningless and cannot heal wounds. D. It leads to loyalty. Right answer is C. It is meaningless and cannot heal wounds. Next question. What is the dramatic function of points? A. To advise King Henry. B. To fight Hotspur. C. To assist Hall in his pranks. D. To lead the rebellion. Right answer is to assist Hall in his pranks. Next question. Which genre which genre elements are mixed in this historical play? Options are, which genre elements are mixed in this history play? A. Tragedy and comedy. B. Romance and farce. C. Allegory and honor. D. Satire and pastoral. Right answer is A. Tragedy and comedy. Next question. What is Hall's plan regarding his behavior in taverns? A. He wants to join the rebellion. B. He wants to change suddenly and shock everyone. C. He will become a priest. D. He will kill Falstaff. Right answer is B. He plans to change suddenly and shock everyone. Next question. How does the audience know Hall is pretending to be idle? A. From a soliloquy. B. From Falstaff's letter. C. From King Henry's speech. D. From Point's remarks. Right answer is A. From a soliloquy. Next question. Who is Lady Percy? A. Hotspur's wife. B. Hall's mother. C. Glendower's daughter. And D is Worcester's sister. Right answer is Hotspur's wife. Next question. Which character expresses fear of Glendower's magic? A. Mortimer. B. Hotspur. C. Prince Hall. D. King Henry. Right answer is Hotspur. Next question. Which character tries to mediate peace before the battle? A. Vernon. B. Prince John. C. King Henry. D. Worcester. Right answer is King Henry. Next question. What is King Henry's main grievance against Hotspurs early in the play? A. Hotspur is too young. B. Hotspur will not release his prisoners. C. Hotspur wants the throne. D. Hotspur is disrespectful. Right answer is B. Hotspur will not release his prisoners. Next question. Which relative of Hotspur is also part of the rebellion? A. Northumberland, his father. B. Vernon, his cousin. C. Mortimer, his brother-in-law. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question. What role does Vernon play in the story? A. He is a comic character. B. He delivers message between rebels and the king. C. He is a spy. D. He is Hall's friend. Right answer is B. He delivers message between rebels and the king. Next question. Falstaff lead a group of soldiers known for being A. Noble. B. Old and weak. C. Famous knights. D. Silent warriors. Right answer is B. Old and weak. Next question. Why does Hotspur criticize Glendower? A. For being too young. B. For boasting about magical powers. C. For retreating in battle. D. For speaking Latin. Right answer is B. For boasting about magical powers. Next question. What tactic does Falstaff use to gain money from the war? A. He captures noble. B. He sells commissions and draft weak soldiers. C. He loots town. D. He forges letter. Right answer is B. He sells commissions and drafts weak soldiers. Next question. Lady Percy complains that Hotspur A. ignores her, B. fights too much, C. never shares his plans, C. Never shares his plans, D. all of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Who delivers the final speech of the play? A. Falstaff, B. Prince Hall, C. King Henry, D. Prince John. Right answer is King Henry. Next question. Why is the rebellion weakened before the Battle of Shrewsbury? A. King Henry sends spies. B. Northumberland falls ill and doesn't come. C. Hall destroys their supplies. D. Grandover retreats. Right answer is B. Northumberland falls ill and doesn't come. Next question. What does Hall accuse Falstaff of doing in the tavern robbery pranks? A. Betraying him. B. Running away in fear. C. Killing someone. D. Lying about his courage. Right answer is lying about his courage. Next is, which phrase best describes Prince Hall's transformation? A. Rebel to romantic. B. Jester to tyrant. C. Rake to responsible hero. D. Hero to exile. Right answer is C. Rake to responsible hero. Next question. How does Worcester contribute to the rebellion downfall? A. He challenges Glendower. B. He lies to Hotspur and withholds the king's offer. C. He runs away. D. He supports Hall. Right answer is he lies to Hotspur and withhold the king's offer. Next question. Who survives the Battle of Shrewsbury but is captured? A. Hotspur, B. Falstaff, C. Douglas, D. Prince John. Right answer is Douglas. 64th question. Which theme is explored throughout the father-son relationship in the play? A. Patriotism, B. Power versus love, C. Legacy and identity, D. Truth and lies. Right answer is C. Truth. Right answer is C. Legacy and identity. 65th question. Falstaff is often associated with which sin? A. Envy, B. Wrath, C. Gluttony, D. Greed. Right answer is C. Gluttony. Next question. Why does Prince Hall reject Falstaff by the end? A. He discovers Falstaff's betrayal. B. He chooses duty over friendship. C. Falstaff is arrested. D. Falstaff is crowned. Right answer is B. He chooses duty over friendship. Next question. What is the purpose of the comic subplot with Falstaff and the tavern crew? A. To offer poetic language. B. To deepen the tragedy. C. To provide satire and contrast. D. To present a romantic story. Right answer is C. To provide satire and contrast. Next question. Which of the following best represent the idea of rebellion in the play? A. The Boar's Head Tavern, B. The Battle of Shrewsbury, C. Hotspur Speeches, D. The King's Palace. Right answer is B. The Battle of Shrewsbury. Next question. The play's opening scene shows King Henry's planning A. An invasion of France, B. A pilgrimage to the Holy Land, C. The arrest of Falstaff, D. A royal wedding. Right answer is B. A pilgrimage to the Holy Land. Next question. What is significant about the way Hall fight Hotspur? A. He challenged him publicly. B. He insists on a one-on-one fight. C. He kills him from behind. D. He uses a magical sword. Right answer is B. He insists on one-on-one fight. Next question. Which character betrays the rebels by not informing them of peace negotiation? A. Glendower, B. Worcester, C. Douglas, D. Vernon. Right answer is B. Worcester. Next question. Which character shows both honor and recklessness? A. Falstaff, B. Hall, C. Hotspur, D. Prince John. Right answer is Hotspur. Next question. Which literary device is most frequently used in Falstaff's dialogue? A. Hyperbole, B. Simile, C. Personification, D. Oxymoron. Right answer is hyperbole. Next is Prince Hall's relationship with his father is marked by A. Completely loyalty, B. Distance and disapproval, C. Shared jokes, D. Rebellion and exile. Right answer is B. Distance and disapproval. Next question. What is the central conflict of Henry IV Part 1? A. The fall of Richard II. B. The clash between Hall and Falstaff. C. Rebellion against King Henry and Hall's path to redemption. D. The rise of Glendower in Wales. Right answer is option C. The rebellion against King Henry and Hall's path to redemption. Next question. Which character shows the greatest change from the beginning to the end of the play? A. King Henry IV, B. Hotspur, C. Prince Hall, D. Falstaff. Right answer is Prince Hall. Next question. Which character remains static, representing pride and honor throughout? A. Prince John, B. Hotspur, C. Falstaff, D. Glendower. Right answer is Hotspur. Next question. Who is Bardolph? Who is Bardolph? A. Hall's tutor, B. Falstaff's tavern companion, C. A rebel knight, D. A noble messenger. Right answer is B. Falstaff's tavern companion. Next is the Boar's Head Tavern is located in A. Eastcheap, B. Westminster, C. Windsor, D. Shrewsbury. Right answer is Eastcheap. Next question.